Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Today, we're going to explore regularization techniques, which play a vital role in optimizing AI learning. We'll delve into the concepts and learn how to apply them effectively in your neural networks. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more insightful web dev, and AI content. Now, let's dive into regularization and learn how it helps improve neural networks. Regularization is a technique used to prevent overfitting in neural networks. Overfitting occurs when a model becomes too complex and starts memorizing the training data, reducing its ability to generalize to new unseen data. Regularization addresses this issue by adding a penalty term to the loss function. This penalty discourages overly complex models, promoting better generalization and improving the network's performance on new data. Two popular regularization techniques are L1 and L2 regularization. L1 regularization, also known as lasso regularization, adds the absolute value of weights to the loss function. This technique promotes sparsity in the model, encouraging some weights to be exactly zero, which in turn leads to feature selection. L2 regularization, also known as ridge regularization, adds the squared value of weights to the loss function. Selecting the appropriate regularization technique depends on the problem you're trying to solve, the architecture of your neural network, and the desired characteristics of your model. Factors to consider when choosing the best regularization method include the model's complexity, the presence of irrelevant features, and the risk of overfitting. Dropout is another technique to prevent overfitting in neural networks. Unlike L1 and L2 regularization, dropout involves randomly dropping out neurons during training, essentially deactivating them temporarily. By doing so, the network is forced to learn more robust features and rely less on any single neuron. This results in a more generalizable model that can better adapt to new data. We've just explored the fascinating world of regularization techniques in AI learning. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment about which regularization technique you think is most useful, or share your experience with applying regularization in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.